Hello, in this video, I will explain to you on how to solve this problem. For the following exercises, given each set of information, find a linear equation satisfying the condition if possible. Okay, so now we are given that f minus 5 is equal to minus 4 and f5 is equal to 2. Remember that y is equal to f of x. If we are given that f of minus 5 is equal to minus 4, what does that mean? That means that we have minus 5 here as our x, and then minus 4 here as our y, right? So let's draw it. We have our x is minus 5 and our y is minus 4. Let's draw this point in the coordinate system. So here we have x positive here to this direction and y positive is to this direction. And we will have minus 5 comma minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that is minus 5 and then minus 4. So I'll have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, so we will have this one here. You have minus 5 comma minus 4, and that is the first point. Okay, and now let's have the second point here. I will have f of 5 is equal to 2, and we can use the same logic here. So we will have 5 comma 2 here. Good, and let's draw this on the coordinate system. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, comma 2. 1, 2. Okay, we'll have this one here, this point, and that point is 5, comma 2. Okay, we have 2 points, and let's connect it forming a line. So our task here is to find out this equation of the line here, the equation of this line here. And the first thing that we need to find out is the slope of the line. Find the slope. And the slope, what is the symbol of the slope? That will be m, right? And that will be delta y divided by delta x. Or I can write that as the slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So let's use this one here as point 2, and this point here is point 1. Okay, you can use which one is which. So let's just make it as point 1, and I will make this point here as point number 2. Good. So we will have the slope here, that will be y2. The y is 2, so I have 2, and then minus y1. y1 is minus 4. Okay, and then divide that by x2. x2 is 5, right? So we'll have 5 minus, and then we'll have x1, which is minus 5. Good, that will be 2 plus 4 divided by 5 plus 5, or that will be 6 over 10, or finally we will have our slope here is 3 over 5. Good, and the next thing that we need to do is to plug in into standard form. And the standard form, remember, we'll have y minus y1, and that will equal to the slope multiplied by x minus x1. Good. Okay, now let's write this down. So I have y minus y1, so I'll have minus 4 here. And then what is the slope? Slope is 3 over 5. 3 over 5. And then multiplied by x minus x1. x1 here is minus 5. So I have minus 5. Good. And so we'll have y plus 4 that will equal to 3 over 5x. Okay, and then plus 5. Good. And then I think we can simplify this. So we'll have y plus 4 that will equal to 3 over 5x. And then 3 over 5 multiplied by 5, that will be 3, right? And so we can move this 4 to the right hand side, or subtract both sides by 4. So we'll have y is equal to 3 over 5 multiplied by x, and then 3 minus 4, that will be minus 1. And that is the equation of the line here. Okay, let's highlight that. And I think we have finished working on this problem. Okay, hopefully I did not make any mistakes during my calculation. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.